Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? My name is Prashil, and today I'm especially excited to present to you the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G in green. And yeah, this is something I've been waiting on for a while. I did pre-order this, but there were a bunch of global delays, so I just got it today, and I'm really excited to unbox this because yeah, this is honestly, I would say, arguably the best foldable phone you can get this year, and especially because they've reduced the price. This phone actually costs less than what you'd pay for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 1 and 2, so the first and second generation. So this is the third iteration in Samsung's lineup, and I gotta say, it's really something special. I've always had my eye on this, but I never really found the first and the second generation to be that appealing. The third generation, though, really seems to take the cake, so yeah, here we are. I was also able to get a deal for this device, and that included this wireless charger for free, so yeah, that's kind of cool. I thought I'd do the unboxing for this as well. And I gotta say, right off the bat, this actually seems more substantial than the Z Flip 3's box. So that's kind of funny, but yeah. All right, let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see already from the box, it's quite thin. Yeah, don't expect any charging brick or headphones or anything like that these days. But yeah, just looking at the specs, so you've got the Z Flip 3 5G, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage in green. And that's pretty much it. The box is nice and clean. You've got this two-tone look here with the Z color reflective of the color I've chosen. So yeah, let's open this up. I'll get my trusty knife and cut the seal. All right, cool. And there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. And I gotta say, it's definitely one of the taller devices out on the market. Let's just pull this tab out and have a look at what else is in the box. So you've got the Samsung logo here on the small box that's provided, which I'm guessing is gonna have the manual and the SIM ejector tool, and really nothing else. So yeah, you've got your SIM ejector tool here, which is always handy. And you've got a bunch of manuals and your cable, which is a Type-C to Type-C cable. You've got your manual and yeah, pretty much nothing else. So let's set that over here. And looking at the device, oh man, this looks really nice. So let's peel off this plastic. Whoa, that's interesting. And there is the Z Flip. And yeah, I gotta say, it's really nice. The back finish is really nice. It's quite reflective and quite glossy. So obviously it's gonna be attracting a lot of fingerprints, but I do like the two-tone display, which kind of reminds me of the earlier Pixels, and I guess the Nexus as well. And yeah, you've got this two-tone look for the mini display, and you've got your camera modules here with the flash, which don't exactly protrude at all, or I mean, it protrudes very little out of the body, which is really nice. So there's no camera bump here. And yeah, the back is quite reflective, quite glossy. The bezels itself, though, have a matte finish, which is nice. Yeah, I gotta say, I really do like the design. And yeah, I gotta say, the color for me is quite interesting. I mean, I like it, but on the box, it says that it's green, and online it says that it's green. And in person, I can tell you, it honestly looks more bluish than green. So that's kind of weird and kind of interesting. But yeah, let's boot it up. Cool, so you've got the Samsung logo over here as well, which is kind of cool. But yeah, in terms of, maneuverability, I guess people with small hands will kind of have a problem with it. It's not too bad for me, but yeah. All right, but before I set this up, let's have a look at the charging pad that came with it. Cool, let's pull this out. I'm guessing you can just slide this out. Sweet. And there's the charging pad, which has a really nice matte finish, and it's not really textured or anything, so it's quite smooth. But yeah, so all in all, it's quite nice, and it can charge up to 3 devices at once. So you can put your watch here, the Samsung Watch. You can put your wireless Samsung Buds here, as well as the phone itself, and it will charge all 3 at the same time. So that's kind of cool. And while this is a wireless charging pad, I am happy that there is a charging brick, a fast charging brick included in this, because I got this for free, and so that doesn't mean I have to go out and buy fast charging brick for this device. So if I ever feel like I don't really want to pop this on here and wirelessly charge it, I can always just connect it directly to the charging brick for that fast charging experience. All right, so I've done the initial setup of this phone, and I gotta say my first impressions of this device is that honestly, it feels pretty flippin' great. No pun intended. But yeah, it just feels really good in the hand. It feels solid. And then when you go ahead and flip it up, it's crazy. I don't think I'll ever be able to get over the fact that this is how far we've come in terms of technology, especially tech like this. I mean, this is crazy. You know, we had the Motorola Razr back in the day, but this is just something else entirely. You know, just unlocking the phone. I've got the initial setup done. And yeah, it feels very fluid, feels really good in the hand. I like the position of the fingerprint scanner. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Honestly, this is something else. I'm really excited to put it through its paces and do my review. So yeah, if you're into that, stay tuned for that. And I guess we're out of time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.